Label, bago kita nakilala, ang dami ko ng pinagdaanan. Maraming pagkabigo, maraming tanong, maraming gabi ng dasal, sa bawat luha at sakit. Paulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa Diyos, Lord, sa tamang panahon, tamang tao, at dumating ka.
May your dreams show you all the things that your weary heart longs to see. If you're lost and trembling in the night, in the fires of hope burn low.
If someone had told that little girl with tangled hair and a shy smile, the one who used to sneak glances at you from across the playground, that one day she'd be standing here, promising forever to you, she wouldn't have believed it. But she would have hoped. How she would have hoped. Langga, you've been in the background of my heart for as long as I can remember. Life took us down different roads. Years passed, seasons changed, and still, somehow, you were always there.
I work the graveyards of greyhounds 8 days a week. Now I'm a trademark, got Bentleys parked on my street. I had pockets of pennies at Denny's just trying to eat. And now my money make money while I'm asleep. Everywhere I go, people tell me so. You got what I want, everybody want a little more. Look at everybody talking. Look at everybody talking. Look at everybody talking. Every time that we walk it out, we the ones that they talk about. I got everything that a man can want. Nice car, drive real fast. Nice clothes.
So today, I vow to love you with the depth of all those years we didn't share, and the tenderness of the ones still ahead. I vow to cherish the boy I once knew and the man you've become. I promise to hold your hand when life is beautiful, and even tighter when it's not.
Hindi biglaan, hindi madali, pero sigurado. Ikaw ang sagot sa matagal ko ng dasal. Ikaw ang katahimikan sa mga gabing puno ng ingay. Ikaw ang paalala na si Lord ay laging tapat sa kanyang pangako.
A quiet, constant warmth. A memory that never faded. And then, 27 years later, there you were. Not a dream, not a maybe, but you. Eto, real. Still you. And somehow even better.
Ngayon, sa harap ng Diyos at ng ating mga mahal sa buhay, pinapangako ko sa iyo ang buong puso ko, hindi perpekto, hindi puno ng hangarin, mahalin ka araw-araw, sa ginhawa at sa hirap, sa saya at sa lungkot, sa tagumpay at pagsubok. Ipinapangako ko, si Lord ang magiging sentro ng ating pagsasama. Siya ang magiging gabay natin, ang lakas natin, at ang pundasyon ng ating pagmamahalan.
Inside a
I laugh at your terrible jokes, be your loudest cheerleader, and remind you every single day how lucky I feel to be yours. You are my once in a lifetime, my always, and my never too late. And I will love you, Langga, for the rest of our days. And every day before that, all over again. I love you.
Label, sa araw na ito, hindi lang ako nagmamahal. Ako'y nagpapasalamat. Dahil sa lahat ng nilikha ng Diyos, ikaw ibinigay niya sa akin. At sa lahat ng araw na darating, pipiliin kitang mahalin, alagaan at ipagdadasal. Habang buhay, habang may Diyos, sa gitna natin. I love you, Langga.